in Atlantic Technological University, we have been engaged in developing different types of sustainable energy sources.
This project is converting mechanical motion into electrical energy. We can integrate this into a carpet as a motion monitoring sensor. So if an elderly person is falling down, we can detect signals remotely. We have used a 3D printing method to print active polymers onto commercial fabric. Using this technique, we can print this symbol ATU as a self-powering device for our small electronic devices.
We are a multidisciplinary group working towards viable options to generate the energy in more cleaner, greener and environmentally sustainable way.
3D printing has the design flexibility to create very small parts, but we can also scale it up with minimal material waste. So there's a sustainability aspect of the story, use 3D printing.
This project is a good example how a basic academic research can develop into commercial products.